welcome to Life with Carrie. Today we are going to look at the Benalune Cordless Auto Curler. This gives you automatic curls. It's so easy to use. I love this thing. It says curls or waves, anytime, anywhere. Beauty and motion. It comes in this cool box. Here's the curler. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. And what's cool about this curler is you could actually change the direction of the curls. You could do right or left, and the temperature goes up to 390 degrees. So you could adjust that, and you could actually go from 8 seconds up to 18 seconds. So I just normally do the 8 seconds because that works fine for my hair. But if you have like straighter hair, then you might want to go up to the 18 seconds to make it work. So we're going to go ahead and let that heat up, and I'm going to finish combing out my hair. And then we'll do section by section. I'm just going to get a little clip. So it takes like little, you have to take little areas at a time. You don't want to take big areas, and you want to make sure your hair is nicely combed, because if it's not nicely combed, it will actually get stuck. But as long as you do small areas like this, it'll work fine. Alright. Alright, so we'll go ahead and we'll get started. So what you want to do is you just want to get the hair in, like that. And you'll hear it beep. And then you're just going to release it. And there you go. There's your curl. So we're going to do the next area. See? Super easy. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to twist your wrist like you do with a normal curling iron. So that's really nice. So we're going to do the next section. There we go. So we'll release some hair, and we'll get to the next layer. So you just put your hair in just like that, and it sucks it right in. There you go, you have a nice little ringlet. Another nice little ringlet. Okay, we'll get the next section of your hair. Alright, and there you go. So this is before and after. So nice, beautiful curls. It only took about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to do all that. Super easy. So I hope this helped you. Definitely comment, like, subscribe, and I will get more videos to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.